Okay, boys and girls, in today's episode we're going to detail this beauty right here. Just going to be interior detail. It's not really dirty, but kind of need to refresh it since I haven't detailed it since I picked it up from the auction. So I guess let's begin. Okay, so seats are unbolted. Battery is disconnected as well. Just a negative terminal. Got all the 4 bolts for the bracket and 1 bolt for the seat belt out. Taking the seats out of the car and going to start to vacuum underneath. We'll see how dirty it is. Shouldn't be that dirty, but still want to make sure that everything is nice and fresh and clean. Let's continue. Carpet is done, more or less. Not a greatest result, but looks pretty clean. I would say clean enough. It's not that easy to clean lighter colors, especially gray. But yeah, going to move on to the dashboard and the center console, and then probably gonna start with seats. Battery is half charged, so I don't know how long it's gonna last for, but I'm gonna show as much as I can. Let's continue. Now that's what I like. I don't know if you can see the difference, but that one is the one that's not done. Driver's side. You see there is that glossy texture to it, but this one is flat and matte texture without any oils or contamination or anything. Looks really good, and this is the actual gray color now versus this one is still oily and somewhat dirty. This brush actually does really good job.